I'm Terry Bradshaw. Please join me as I leave the field for the boardroom in search of the best and the brightest people willing to share their viewpoints. Technology is continually advancing, helping us to do things better, faster, and more efficiently. Let's take a look at the latest innovations. We depend on electronic systems and devices every day to assist us in almost everything we do. Serving as the backbone of those electronic wonders is a printed circuit board, the chassis upon which all other components are connected. A printed circuit board consists of a fiberglass substrate which is laminated with conductive copper traces on which the system's electrical signals will flow. This is where PNC excels.
Printed circuit boards are very common. In fact, everybody every day has some interaction with printed circuit boards. From your alarm clock to your cell phone, children's toys, computers, almost anything electrical or battery operated has a circuit board.
There are a minimum of 35 individual process steps to fabricate a simple double-sided board and up to 48 for a multi-layer version. Components are then soldered onto the board using lead-free material so that it can be disposed of at the end of its life cycle in an environmentally responsible way.
We invested nearly $2.5 million in new capital equipment, which brought some consistency and efficiencies to our process, and it also improved our quality. We also went out and hired a couple qualified individuals in key areas of our facility, and both scenarios have paid huge dividends in a very short period of time.
With over 4 decades of experience, PNC can handle concept through design, manufacturing, and assembly of simple or complex multi-layer printed circuit boards. Before shipping, every board goes through a rigorous quality control process. PNC is the proud producer of Rigid Flex and Rigiflex printed circuit boards. The company can also offer value-added services such as SMT stencils, membrane switches, and PCB assembly.
To keep up with the newest technology, we take on the most demanding and challenging jobs from our customers. In saying that, sometimes we often change our process, or we may do materials research or analysis, but it's important to keep up in the trends in the industry so that you do not fall off in the pace with technology.
PNC supplies mission-critical printed circuit boards to industries like the military, radio frequency and microwave transmission, medical diagnostics and treatment, automotive, and audio-video. Highly customized products can include injection molding, sheet metal, and SMT laser-cut stencils.
I chose PNC for several reasons. One, their scale was very impressive. Also, when I visited them on site, it became really apparent that their quality and their services were up to par. But this is my personal take. The deciding factor for me was the fact that they were very engaging and they were willing to really help and go the extra mile to get our product off the ground.
Keeping up with new technology is an ongoing process, and PNC has invested $2.5 million in upgraded capital equipment and capabilities in its 37,000 square foot New Jersey facility. All of the company's manufacturing staff are trained on ISO 9001-2008 process procedures and preventive maintenance. On top of that, the company has acquired a wide variety of other certifications specific to the technological field to which they contribute, such as military specifications.
What makes us different is very simple. It comes from the 5 often overlooked fundamental business practices: commitment to quality, continuous improvement, responsiveness, on-time delivery, and most importantly, flexibility. To be successful in business, it's very important that you satisfy your customers with these requirements.
Electronics are constantly shrinking, with smaller footprints and lighter devices than we have ever imagined. The challenge will be to produce ever smaller and more reliable printed circuit boards. PNC has already begun to do just that.